Hey, bud. I think it's so cool that you've been learning about the nervous system in your class and that you're excited to know more about it. I know that you said that you think the nervous system is a lot like an electrical system, and in a lot of ways, it really is. The nervous system sends signals all throughout the body. However, there is one difference. So, with like an electrical system of wires, like with light bulbs or the wires you see your dad connecting to the TV. If there's a break in those wires, they're not going to work. The thing with the nervous system is information isn't just transmitted through action potentials because neurons, they're not always connected together. And the gaps between the neurons are called synapses. So I've drawn a picture for you to see of two different neurons. Here you have the presynaptic membrane terminal of one neuron, and here is the postsynaptic membrane of another neuron, and you see how they're not connected. So how do they work? And this is where we begin to see that action potential is not the only way that the nervous system works, and so it's a little bit different than electrical wiring. So what happens is the axon terminal of one neuron, here the presynaptic membrane, has neurotransmitters that are kept here in little vesicles. And so when the action potential reaches the end of the neuron to the presynaptic terminal, it releases those little neurotransmitters from the presynaptic to the postsynaptic neuron. And so you can see like I have these little dots that are traveling down to the postsynaptic membrane. And when they attach to those receptors, the postsynaptic membrane is able to translate that as the action potential and continue to transmit the signal. So because of that break, it's a little bit different than an electrical wiring, but I think it is so awesome that you are looking to learn about the nervous system. And please let me know if you have any more questions, okay, bud?